Hello, hello, and welcome to a wonderful Wednesday at Westport. I have a special visitor today. I'm so excited. This is John Ryan.
Hello, everybody.
Who is Vice
Vice
President
President of Business Development for Genome America.
at Genome. And I'm very excited about the Genome CM17. I went for training a couple of weeks ago. Sarah from our Clarksville store and I went for training. And y'all, I am so impressed and in love with this machine. It is amazing. And John came from the service side of the industry.
Yes.
And he knows all about how it's made. You want to say something real quick?
Yeah, sure. So this is Genome's top-of-line machine, which is our CM17. It's got a 13.7-inch space in here. We can knock out the machine because it's built out of metal. So that's
Solid.
a great part.
Yeah.
So not only that, but we have easy access into the machine. And you can see all the nice metal on the inside. We have a brushless motor in here, which makes it the strongest needle penetration force on the market. And not only that, but we can also easily get into our needle plate area if we needed to clean it up or go in there and change to different needle plates. But all we have to do is hit a little button and it magically lifts off.
Just lifts off.
So we can get in here
I
and
love
see all the
that.
nice metal on the inside.
You know how many times we fooled with screws, so we kind of like that feature.
Yes, so I love this machine for embroidery, of course. A super large hoop on it, over 18 inches by 11.9 inches. I love it for free motion, do tons of free motion on this. But it's also the strongest machine too, because you can do up to 13 layers of denim on it. So very powerful machine, just all around good time with it. So, put this back on.
So we encourage you to come in, and Genome is having a summer savings sale, right?
Yes, we're calling it tables, trimmers, and trolleys. So with certain machines this month, we have the M8, the 9480 with a table with it. We have this machine that comes with a whole luggage set for the embroidery unit as well.
Many feet, hoops. I mean, it's
this
just
machine
mind-boggling
comes with
how much already comes with it.
Yes,
So,
there's I think over 54 different accessories already included with it. You know, our 6700P, our HD9 is on sale. It's a perfect, industrial straight stitch machine that comes with a table. The 6700P comes with a beautiful Genome collector scissor kit. So lots of good sales, lots of good savings. So
come in
on
and
down.
see us, and we're thrilled to have John with us today.
Yes.
He's been teaching us a few things, and we're getting even more excited about selling a new Genome to you. So we're now going to switch gears, and Barbara's going to go over there and tell you about what's coming up with our classes.
Absolutely.
Okay, Kathy.
Kathy, come go with
Thanks,
me.
John.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
your being here. Thank you. That was great.
You're in. Hi, everybody. It's so glad to have you guys with us today, and it was so thrilling to have John here and teaching us all about the new Genome machines. It's just fabulous. So those of you who are interested in Genomes, come by and take a look at it. You'll be amazed. Coming up on the 10th of August, which is Saturday, we have a serger class that's available. It's a beginning serger class. So if you have a serger and you don't know how to use it, it's time for you to come in and learn how. And Linda's going to be teaching that class. Then on the 19th, we'll have our embroidery club, and we're now in August, we're going to be doing something really special. It's a surprise. I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's going to be fabulous. And then in September, we're going to do a freestanding lace witch's hat. So for October, and then in October, we're going to do a Christmas pillow cover for our covers. And then on the 28th, we're going to do New Honors Embroidery. So if you don't know how to use your embroidery machine, come on down. We'll teach you how to do it and get you going on it. Also, on the 24th, on Saturday the 24th, we're going to have Sewing and Vacuum Authority Day at the Kentucky State Fair. So we're going to be there from 10 to 4 out in the textile area, out in the lobby, and we'll be teaching you doing demos on how to make collage quilts. And those things are really popular, a lot of fun to do, and they're super simple. You just need to know a few techniques to be able to do it, and you can do them, and you'll be so thrilled you learn how to do those things. Then in September, on the 16th, Kim Fong is going to be with us again, and she's going to be teaching another quilt designs class. It's called Quilt Designs and More, and you just need to bring a piece of paper and some pencil with you, and you don't even need your machines for this class, but it's very informative, very educational, And at the last class, everybody was just thrilled with it. We had about 10 or 12 people here, and everybody was just thrilled at what they learned about how to design your quilt and be able to quilt it and what have you. And then September the 20th and 21st, we have the Heartland Quilt Show coming up. So you'll want to make sure you make your way down to E-Town to the Hardin County Extension Service for the quilt show on both of those days. And so check our calendar to see what's available coming up this month and next month, and make your plans to attend some of the classes. We've got some great classes going on. We had a computer class this morning. We taught you how to take your designs down from your computer, from the design website to your computer to your machine. And we'll be doing that class again. Also, we'll be doing some free motion quilting classes and what have you coming up in the near future. So I just remember every day, take time to sew something, and I'm going to say bye for now and hope to see you in class soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye, everybody.